Hello friends, in this video we'll see what is the judiciary and the courts in the Slovenia. Constitutional Court. There are 9 judges. Term of judge would be for 9 years. The judges of this court are elected on the proposal of the President of the Republic of Slovenia by the National Assembly in a manner provided by law. Judges are elected from the legal experts. Judges of this court may not be re-elected. Now what does this constitutional court does? This court would decide on compliance of ratified international treaties with the constitution. This court decides on the conflicts of jurisdiction between courts and state bodies. This court decides on the conflict of jurisdiction between the National Assembly, the President of Republic of Slovenia and the government. This court decides on the conformity of local community regulations with the constitution and with laws. Now let's see what are the courts. Courts of general jurisdiction, local courts, district court, courts of appellate jurisdiction, Supreme Court, courts of specialized jurisdiction, labor courts, social security dispute court, administrative court. Supreme Court is the highest judicial institution in Slovenia. Supreme Court has 6 divisions: criminal division, civil division, commercial lawsuits division, labor and social security disputes division, administrative review division, registry division. The Supreme Court has right of inspection on the lower instance courts. Judicial Council. Council is composed of 11 members. National Assembly elects 5 members of this council on the proposal of the President of the Republic of Slovenia. The members proposed would be university law professors, attorneys and other lawyers. The permanent judges elect 6 members amongst themselves for this council. This council proposes names of judges to the National Assembly for appointment. So friend, this was the judiciary and the courts in Slovenia. In our next video, we will see the other features which are there in the Constitution of Slovenia. Thank you.